Miao's Manage Links helps you to link SketchUp, Rhino, AutoCAD, or your preferred BIM or CAD program with 3ds Max. What it does is to import the models, clean and fix the imported geometry and split it in one object per material. The resulting objects will be saved as a FBX file and you can link it to 3ds Max manually, or Miao's Manage Links can link it for you automatically. It is incredibly fast and will save you ages. Heavy files with millions of polygons are processed smoothly and fast. Now I will show how to use Miao's Manage Links to import, link and update a model coming from SketchUp into 3ds Max. In SketchUp I save the file as a SKP. Saving in SKP is way faster than saving as OBJ or FBX. I want this saved SKP file to be linked, so what I have to do is to press the Select and Attach button and to select the SKP file itself. What is happening behind the scene? SKP file is imported. Imported objects are cleaned, fixed, split by material, and the end result is one object per material. If you open Max Script Listener you can see information of how much time each steps takes. In the linked files list you can see the imported SKP file. You can open the File Link Manager and in the Files tab you can see that a FBX file with the same name as the SKP file you have imported is linked to your scene. The FBX is saved with the same name and in the same folder where the SKP file is located. I am going to apply new materials and some modifiers. Back in SketchUp. Here is updated version of this model. I am saving it using the same name. To import the updated model in 3ds Max and to preserve all added materials and modifiers I have just to turn on Show Reload options and then to press the Convert and Reload button. The File Link Settings FBX Files dialog will pop up. I turn on the Keep Materials Parameters and Assignments on Reload. Then I press the OK button and the importing continues. As you see, this is the updated model. Materials and modifiers applied to previous model are reapplied to the newly imported model. You can link as many files as you want from different locations. Miao's Manage Links uses the default 3ds Max file linking to link FBX file to your scene, so you can take advantages of all of its features. Everything is imported and well organized. I am going to update the models in SketchUp and will resave them. With the SKP files, Miao's Manage Links works best when the old SKP importer is used. The new SKP importer in 3ds Max 2020 offers limited settings that can be tweaked by the users compared to the old SKP importer. The lack of some of the options in the new SKP importer may lead to improperly imported models. Because of this, I recommend the saved SKP files to be saved for SketchUp 2014 and lower version. When you press the Convert and Reload button, only the linked files whose checkboxes are on will be updated. If you use Forest Pack or Multi-Scatter, the objects they create will be updated after link updating. Every time when you run Miao's Manage Links, it will check if there are any linked files, and if such files exist, it will try to find the corresponding SKP or OBJ files and will show them in the linked files list. The corresponding SKP OBJ files are located in the same folder where the linked FBX files are located and have the same names as the linked FBX files. You can use Miao's Manage Links only to import a file and to split imported objects by material. To do this, press the plus Add Files button and select some files. Then press the Convert and Reload. Miao's Manage Links will import files one by one, will split imported objects by materials and will save them as FBX file. No linked files. But the FBX files are in the same folder where the selected SKP files are located. When I import the FBX file, all objects are split by material and have the same name as the material applied to each one of them. If you choose a SKP file that can't be imported in 3ds Max, you will see those SKP files in a new window. For example, the dummy_2020.skp is saved for SketchUp 2020 and it can't be opened in 3ds Max 2017. In this case, only the supported SKP file is imported. Sometimes flip faces may occur after the import. Miao's Manage Links does its best to fix those faces, but this is not possible in all situations. If you import the SKP file directly, the same face will be flipped.